Huh. Okay, trade recap of Wednesday, yesterday. Uh, first trade, uh, first trade, of December, and actually first trade of for since like a really long ass time. Uh, um, so far, I feel like I've forgotten how to trade, and I mean, not really. Is it fucking PA's been ass, bro? Yesterday was pretty decent, but I couldn't really. Wasn't the cleanest trade I've taken though, but we managed though. Okay, I start with bias. So we took out previous day highs, the candle prior to the Wednesday's candle. So the draws would definitely be previous day highs on there, right? We took it out pre-market right here during Asia actually. Came up and take that. So I knew we were gonna take out some sort of internal range liquidity because we took out external range over there. What I see this huge wick right there, on the hourly to this wick on the hourly. Yeah, right there. But I wasn't really gonna limit that because I didn't really have nothing in that. What I was looking at, whoa, what I was looking at was this 15-minute wick. Why? Because okay, first of all, deviations. I had this deviation right here. Wait, was it? Nah, it was this deviation. Final London deviation. That's this one. You know how this deviation you're supposed to draw it anchor it like that. But since we're bearish on here, you can draw it downwards, flip it. I had middle of London deviation. I had was it Asia range? Hold on. Fuck. No, no, I don't think it was Asia range. Okay. And final London deviation lines up with mid London deviation, and those two line up with 79 of this. So that was the level to take actually. That was low of day. And yeah, we formed SMTs too with ES right here. Fuck, right here. ES made a lower low, NQ made a higher low. So yeah. We actually want to talk about this quarterly theory also. So we have X, A, manipulation, distribution. That's why I had long bias. One of my friend asked me why I was bullish. This is why. So we had SMTs. We already filled out internal range after taking out external range right here. We took out PD highs during Asia, and then we took out internal range, which was right here. So I didn't really have another reason for us to go lower because external range is probably this low or this lows, and I doubt I was shorting that because True Day Open and Midnight Open was also all the way up there. True Day and Midnight can act as a magnet or like equilibrium pretty much. So like this would be discount, this would be premium. I don't want to be wait, no. This would be yeah, what am I on? This would be discount, this would be premium. I don't want to be selling at a discount. So yeah. So okay, levels, we got the levels right here. and boom, we take that shit. It was only like, yeah, 2 points, 1.75 point drawdown. Okay, so what else did I see? This CISD on the 5 minute. Wait, was that? Nah. Yeah, 5 minutes CISD. I saw that shit, and then yeah, pretty much took that shit. We also had this. I showed pizza deviation right here, and that CISD lined up with the 0.618, and pretty much had this level. Why I had 12.5 stops instead of 5 points or 10 points. If I had 10 points, I think I would have gone stopped out here. Yeah, but I think why I had 12.5. I wanted to accommodate for this gap right here, and you see we had a crazy ass push down. I don't know what was in there. Probably some order flow shit. But yeah, glad I had 12.5 because would have gotten stopped out otherwise. Oh yeah, another conference was pretty sure it was VP. Yeah, and in my quarterly video, I'll show you guys how you can find cycles within cycles. This trade recap's a pretty good example too, because we had X, A, M, D. D you wanna be looking for longs, right? You scale down to like a lower time frame, and you see this right here. A, M, D. So we're trading a distribution leg both in the mini cycle and the macro cycle. You get what I mean? So yeah, that's pretty much it. I have a pizza on here also. This level we hit that actually gave like 70 points. Thought we were gonna reverse off that, but turns out X was this continuation from the distribution leg. Yeah, that's pretty much trade recap. I'm thinking of making like a free mentorship, but like to a couple people, so it's gonna be like a giveaway, you know. Maybe if I reach like 50 subs and like 50 Discord members, then maybe I'll open that free mentorship. Probably it's gonna be exclusive to like 3 or 5 people, I think. So it's gonna be like a one-on-one or like yeah, you get what I mean. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Straight recap of the day. If you got any questions, you can uh put in the comments or join my Discord and ask me on there. Yeah.